News update for January 5th, 2023, and it looks like another down day for markets as nothing seems to be keeping investors happy. Potential recessions, market down. Jobs number up, but oh no, Fed could raise interest rates, market's down. Jim Cramer sips coffee with his left hand. Oh no, market's down, sell, sell, sell. In any case, here's how Thursday is looking so far. It looks like Bed Bath & Beyond shares are down over 20% today as the company announced a potential bankruptcy filing due to massive cash flow constraints hampering their ability to not only keep operations going, but also meet their debt payments. While the company deals with meeting payments for rent and suppliers, CEO Sue Grove said that the retailer is focused on rebuilding the business and making sure its brands Beds Bath & Beyond, Bye Bye Baby, and Harmon remain destinations of choice for customers well into the future. Investors probably remember that Bed Bath & Beyond was part of the whole meme stock jump last year. At one point in July, that stock had jumped from $5 to $13, but quickly sank as Chewy.com founder Ryan Cohen sold his holdings after a jump, pocketing nearly $60 million to his RC Ventures. BBBY has failed to regain any upward movement since then. Next on the news, more bad news on the cryptocurrency front as Silvergate Capital tanks over 45% this morning after the crypto bank disclosed massive fourth quarter withdrawals. Founded in 1988, the Lola Jola, California-based Lola Jola. I should look that up on Google Maps. In any case, Lola Jola, California-based company is a Federal Reserve member bank and provider of innovative financial infrastructure solutions and services for the digital currency industry. Total deposits from digital asset customers declined to $3.8 billion from a high of $11.9 billion in the third quarter, declining roughly 68%. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. So no surprises here as FTX, the battered crypto exchange embroiled in the current SBF scandal, is a customer of Silvergate, and customers are fleeing anything tied to FTX at this point. So over the last few months, Silvergate has had to raise over $5.2 billion in debt, laying off 200 employees or about 40% of its workforce. The tanking of this share price won't help either, as a lot of debt metrics are probably based on certain thresholds on share price. Will be interesting to see how the FTX scandal continues to affect the broader crypto market players. Silvergate Capital at one point last October was at $220 per share. As of this morning, their stock is at about $10. Next on the list, a little bit of good news for investors who have holdings in Ford. The automaker announced that it had narrowed its U.S. sales loss last year to 2.2% due to a notable increase in sales of its F-Series pickups to end 2020 with a slight increase in December. Ford is up 0.58% this morning to $12.07, but it is still down from its high of $25 a share back in January of 2020. Gotta love them pickups, and if you've been living through the winter storms that we've had here in Canada, you'll understand why having an F-150 is a lifesaver when you have to get to work in minus 40 degrees Celsius weather, although one has to wonder why we put ourselves through hell to get to work in minus 40 degree weather. I hate my life. And finally, holiday sales numbers are in, and it looks like online holiday sales rose 3.5% year over year to $211.7 billion, according to Adobe Analytics. Yay! Screw being a minimalist. Let's keep consumer spending going in these tough times. All joking aside, this marked a new record for e-commerce sales during the major retail session. According to Adobe, MasterCard also reported that in-store spending was up 7% this holiday season, marking an overall boost to the bottom line for retailers. Now, most companies are bracing for some serious headwinds in 2023 with an expected recession affecting the broader markets. I guess all that credit spending and less saving is going to catch up sometime. All right, that's the news update for Thursday, January 5th, 2023. Click that follow and like button and we'll see you at the next update.